Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WordPress page content not showing issue. First, check if your page is set to draft or private. Switch it to public and update. If it's already public, try clearing your browser and WordPress cache, especially if you're using caching plugins like WP Supercache or Lightspeed. Next, switch to a default theme like 2024 to see if your current theme is the problem. If the content appears, the issue is theme-related. You should also disable your plugins one by one. A page builder or SEO plugin can sometimes block content display. Another quick fix is to reassign your homepage under Settings, then Reading. Lastly, go to Settings, then Permalinks, and click Save Changes without editing anything. This refreshes your links and often restores missing content. After these steps, your page content should reappear instantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.